If you've been following my channel for a while, you know this hair journey didn't happen overnight. I learned that growing natural hair isn't just about getting your hair to grow because your hair is already growing. The real challenge is keeping the length you grow. Over time, I started paying attention to my scalp, moisturizing consistently, reducing breakage, and using simple DIY treatments that complemented my routine. Now, does that mean every DIY works? Absolutely not. That's why I only share the ones that fit into a healthy hair routine and that I genuinely enjoy using. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is one I've been loving lately. It's incredibly simple, affordable, and made with just two ingredients that many people already have in their kitchen. I use it as a leave-in, which means I don't rinse it out. Instead, I follow it with my moisturizing routine to keep my hair soft and prevent dryness. So if you've been trying to reduce shedding, improve your scalp health, and create the best environment for healthy hair growth, stay with me. Let me show you exactly how I make it, how I use it, and why I never wash it out. The ingredients I'm using is cloves and black tea. It takes only a few minutes to prepare, costs very little, and many people in the natural hair community have been using ingredients like this for years to support a healthier scalp and stronger hair. Cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol, which has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, and keeping the scalp clean and comfortable is one reason people enjoy using clove-infused rinsing. Black tea naturally contains caffeine. Some laboratory studies suggest caffeine may help counter some of the effects of DHT on hair follicles. DHT is a hormone linked to certain types of hair thinning in both men and women. While drinking tea will stop hair loss, some people use black tea topically because of this interesting research. I started by bringing some water to a boil. Into the hot water, I added my whole cloves, then I added my black tea. You can use any tea bags of your choice. Once everything is in the water, I simply stir and cover the container and leave for some minutes. This waiting period is important because it allows the water to extract more of the natural compounds from both the cloves and the tea. After it has cooled completely, I strain everything to remove the cloves and the tea. Now I'm left with a rich dark infusion that's ready to use. At this point, I transfer into a spray bottle because it makes application much easier. Now you can go further to add glycerin into this because this tea tends to dry out your hair. So you can add a drop of glycerin into this, or better still, you can also use it like this. To use this, I spray the infusion directly onto my scalp and throughout my hair. As I spray, I make sure every section is lightly coated. Then I gently massage my scalp with my fingertips for several minutes. This step is one you shouldn't skip. The massage itself encourages circulation and helps distribute the liquid evenly across the scalp. Now, here is something very important. I'm not rinsing this out. I'm using it as a leave-in. However, black tea contains tannins, and both black tea and cloves can leave the hair feeling slightly dry if they are used alone. That is why I said you can add glycerin into yours. That is why I never stop here. Immediately after applying this, I follow up with a moisturizer. That's after applying the spray into my hair and my scalp, I follow up with a moisturizer. This could be a water-based leave-in conditioner, aloe vera spray, or your favorite moisturizing cream. Once my hair is moisturized, I seal everything in with a butter or oil. Remember, moisture retention is what helps you keep the hair you grow. Hair growth isn't only the goal, length retention is just as important. Also, natural remedies work best when they are part of a healthy hair habit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried black tea or cloves on your natural hair? What's your experience? Share with us. Bye.